Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to type emojis on MacBook. So the first option would be to go ahead where you are, for example, on document or on any page on the internet. You're going to press edit and then you will see emojis and symbols. And now this will pop up. Now another way to do this is by pressing Fn key, and again emojis will pop up. Another way and another shortcut is by pressing Control, Command, and then space. And again, emojis and smiley faces open up. Now, another good thing to know is to go ahead here on the emoji search bar, and right there you will see a little button. You want to go ahead and click on it, and now you will see all of the categories where you can go ahead and choose what type of emojis you want to go ahead and use, for example, food and drink, objects, and so on and so forth. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave emoji down below, and I will see you next time.